So step one is going to be to remove the spare tire, which is heavy. So keep in mind you may need a second person to help you with the removal and the reinstallation of the spare tire. Step two, to open the cargo door and remove the 4 T20 torque screws on the back of the third brake light. Once that is removed, you'll have access to the factory third brake light wiring. You can now disconnect the OEM third brake light. Next up, you'll place the smoked 14-inch LED brake light on the spare tire mount with the wire on top routed behind. Now simply connect your original brake light to the included T-harness and route the wiring in the brake light cover. Reinstall those 4 T20 torque screws to reattach, and the final step is to remount your spare tire. Oh, you're gonna go in this spot over here. Okay. Our installation might be a little bit different just because I already have some aftermarket parts in here. So we're going to take this apart further, see if we can find that plug. So if you guys run into a similar situation where you've already removed that factory third brake light, or somebody else has done something else aftermarket and has discarded it, note that the wire connection, this is just an in and out and it's just 2 wires. However, on the wiring that we have in our existing third brake light is 3 wires in and out. So what we're going to do is grab a multimeter and test and make sure we incorporate this existing little one with our aftermarket light. So we're going to have to cut and splice.
Second brake.
It's just on a test, does it matter?
No. Yeah. Ready, brake, hold on. And step again. Brown is nothing. Okay. Brown is nothing.
Oh, for an
Red
additional
is
accessory
brake.
maybe that I didn't get with the carrier.
Red is brake positive and white is ground.
In our situation, we're going to get rid of this nice little T-harness and we're just going to cut and splice. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool. Nice.
Alright, so we're going to put pressure.
We're way off. Camera's like right here.
Where's the camera?
Camera's right here. I mean, I can kind of like smush it over.
Okay.
The camera's got to get replaced. Looks like.
Let's tighten this up a little bit.
Oh yeah, that looks great.